everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting for a couple of reasons. The first is because I went back to school, so this is just like a vlog of my first day back. And the second reason is because I'm partnering with Scentbird. So they're basically just like a service where they send you a new perfume or a couple of different perfumes once a month. They have like Dolce, Kate Spade, a bunch of different other ones that you can try. They also have like little testers, so if you're not sure if you're gonna like it, you can test it. So I got the Architects Club, and let me just tell you, this cylinder is so freaking cool. So it's just like regular, but then you twist the top and then the little sprayer spout comes out and you spray, and it just smells so good. And this one is like, it's pretty strong. It's kind of like a warm, dark vanilla. Like, that's how I would describe it, kind of like a fall autumn scent. So I will be keeping this in my backpack all semester because like it's still kind of hot out and I have to walk a lot, so I kind of sweat. But I just don't want to be that girl that like someone has to sit next to and they smell really badly. So I'm just going to keep it in my backpack so I can reapply throughout the day. I also have a coupon code for you guys, which I'll put up on the screen, but basically you just get 30% off, which makes it $10 for your first month, which is awesome. I'll have a link down in the description so you guys can check it out. Yeah, that is enough talking for now. Let's just go ahead and get right on into the video.
Good morning, mister. Good morning, sister. I've been gone for quite some time. Now you can decide if I look any older, if I stand any taller, if I've seen the sun in weeks, if my voice is deeper. See, I'm a different person.
Good morning, everyone. It is a little after 9:30. I just made it to campus number 1 of the day. I'm gonna quickly explain like what classes I'm taking, where I go to school. I do have a video like going all in depth about that, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. But I do go to the University of Cincinnati. However, I am a community college student, so I go to one community college every Tuesday, Thursday, and then I take 2 classes at the main university Tuesday, Thursday. So overall, I have 15 credits. I'm taking 5 different classes, and the class at the community college in person is Introduction to Native American Literature, which I'm actually kind of excited about. And then I'm taking Physical Geology and Intermediate Composition online. And then at the main campus, which is where I'll be from 2 to 5 later today, I'm taking Introduction to Public Relations and Introduction to Marketing. So here at the community college, we're here for 2 years, so I'll be getting my associates in liberal arts. And then I'm planning to go on to the main campus to finish a bachelor's degree in communication and then a minor in marketing. And someone is pulling in and my camera is literally on the dashboard. So I finished up with my first class. It was pretty good. Obviously it's syllabus week, so like it's kind of boring, but I really like my professor. I also have her for intermediate comp, and she's just like really enthusiastic and really fun. So I've only had like 1 or 2 good professors so far, so I'm excited for her. I also think the class is going to be really interesting, just like reading about Native American literature and like from their perspective rather than the horrible Europeans that took over their land. So I think that part will be interesting. And yeah, I didn't get my geology chapter completely read. It took me a while to get through it, which I was kind of surprised. So I think I'm about halfway, but she let us out early. So it's 12:11, we're supposed to get out at like 12:20. So I am just going to go ahead and drive to main campus.
Let's go out, let's have a few.
a little after 7 and I'm honestly just going to be doing homework the rest of the night, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram just to kind of stay tuned with what's going on. I'm going to definitely post a vlog like every other week, and then I'll have like a regular video the other weeks. So that's my plan for this semester. Then there'll probably be like some random midweek videos as well. So just be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, that way you guys know when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!